Hello everyone. Yeah, it's a new day and a nice day for my niece where she will celebrate her 18th birthday, a debut. Yes, of course she will be happy because it is her once in a lifetime event of life, yung debut. Yeah, when I was 18, I remember my debut. We were poor and we don't have money to buy food or to invite friends to eat. And my niece, nephews, they are lucky because the life is not so tough at this time, unlike our times when I was 18. So to God be the glory and more birthdays to come for my niece Ada Krishna. Thank you everyone for watching.